In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run code inside Notion easily, perfect for beginners. First, let's set up a clean space to work in. Open Notion and create a new page. You can do this from the left sidebar by clicking New Page. Give it a clear name so you can find it later. I'll call mine Code Runner. Naming your page helps keep things organized if you plan to add multiple examples or share it with teammates. Now we'll add a place to write code. Inside the page, type the / key and start typing code. From the menu that appears, choose Code Block. This creates a dedicated, full-width block that's designed to display code clearly with proper formatting. If you don't see it right away, make sure you select Code Block, not inline code. The block will appear with a default language and a space for your text. Next, choose your programming language so you get accurate syntax highlighting. Look at the top left of the code block for the language dropdown. Click it and pick what you're working with. You'll find common options like Python and JavaScript, plus HTML, CSS, Markdown, JSON, and Bash or shell script. Notion also includes many compiled and scripting languages such as C, C++, C++, Java, PHP, Ruby, Go, SQL, YAML, TypeScript, Swift, Kotlin, Rust, Lua, and Objective-C. Don't worry if you change your mind. Switching languages later is just a click, and Notion will re-highlight your code automatically. With the block ready, type or paste the code you want to test or share. The code block will preserve indentation and spacing, which is essential for readability, especially in languages like Python. You can expand the block by dragging its handle to give yourself more room, and you can stack multiple code blocks on the same page if you want to separate examples or compare different languages. A quick tip to set expectations. Notion's code block is for formatting and showcasing code, not executing it. It's perfect for tutorials, documentation, snippets you want to remember, or sharing with your team. If you need to actually run the code, copy it from Notion into your local environment, a browser console, a terminal, or an online playground that supports your chosen language. Keeping your code in Notion makes it easy to maintain notes, usage examples, and explanations alongside your snippets. And that's it. Create a page, add a code block, pick the right language, and type your code. You now have a clean, readable, and shareable home for your snippets right inside Notion.